How to buy Pumpswap token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy all the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, don't forget to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 606 members on their community on X. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 12 days ago and increased by 200% in the last 24 hours. And this token trending number 18 in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address. Now open your function wallet for that. Click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar, as you can see. Now click on your token. Click on understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive the token, as you can see here. To select the provider, click on pricing. Now click on provider, select Jupiter for example, click on apply. Now go back, and as you can see here, you will be able to see a swap. Now click on it. After that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Pumpswap token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.